Hello students, in today's class we will discuss about how to solve a linear equation of first order and first degree. I already discussed about linear equation in my first video. So the general linear equation of first order can be written as dy dx plus py equals to q, where p and q are either constants or function of x. Okay, now how to solve such type of problems? First, find the integrating factor. The integrating factor of the equation is e to the power integration p dx. Then p, where p is the coefficient of y, e to the power integration p dx is the integrating factor of the equation. We already know multiplying by an integrating factor, a differential equation converts to exact differential equation. So multiplying both sides by e to the power integration p dx, we get dy dx into e to the power integration p dx plus py into e to the power integration p dx plus equals to q into e to the power integration p dx. Okay, the first two term can be written as d dx of y into e to the power integration p dx. You can check it, equals to q into e to the power integration p dx. Okay, then integrating both side, we get integration d into y e to the power integration p dx equals to integration q into e to the power integration p dx into dx plus c, where c is any integrating constant. Okay, this implies integration and differential of y into e to the power integration p dx means y e to the power integration p dx equals to q into e to the power integration p dx plus c. Okay, now when we compute any problem, we will skip the first three line. Okay, we just remember this line, y into e to the power integration p dx equals to integration q into e to the integration e to the power p dx plus c, means y into integrating factor. First, y into integrating factor equals to integration over q into integrating factor dx plus c. Again I repeat, y into integrating factor equals to integration over q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Okay, so y equals to e to the power, this e to the power integration p dx will be divided here. So this is e to the power minus integration p dx into second bracket integration q e to the power integration p dx plus c. Okay, now we solve some problems. First problem number 1, solve dy dx plus y dx y by x equals to log x. So here p equals to 1 by x and q equals to log x. It is a linear equation. Now integrating factor is e to the power integration p dx. So equals to e to the power integration p means 1 by x, so dx by x. So integration over dx by x means log x. So e to the power log x means x. So x is the integrating factor. So the general solution is y into integrating factor equals to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus c, where c is any arbitrary constant. So we get y into x equals to integration log x into x dx equals to plus c. Okay, equals to, now we solve it by integration by parts. Log x integration x dx minus integration second bracket ddx of log x integration x dx bracket close dx plus c. Okay, so this is integration x means x square by 2, so the term is x square by 2 log x minus ddx of log x means 1 by x and x means x square by 2. So integration 1 by x into x square by 2 dx plus c. Okay, so x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x cancel integration x dx plus c. So x square by 2 log x minus x, this is x square by 2 into 1 by 2 means x square by 4 plus c. So y equals to this x be divided, this x be divided here. So y equals to x by 2 minus x by 4 plus c by x. Okay, this is the general solution. Next problem, dy dx plus y equals to sin x. This is also a linear equation with p equals to 1 and q equals to sin x. Hence integrating factor is e to the power integration dx equals to integration dx means x. So integrating factor is e to the power x. Hence the general solution is y into integrating factor equals to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, so y into e to the power x equals to integration sin x into e to the power x dx plus c. Okay, so y into the power x equals to, now again we already know the formula of integration e to the power x sin x. What is this? E to the power x into the coefficient of this e to the power x and coefficient of sin x, so 1 square plus 1 square into sin x minus cos x. This is the formula plus c. So y implies y equals to this e to the power x will be divided here. So 1 by 2, 1 square plus 1 square means 2. So 1 by 2 into this e to the power x and e to the power x will be cancelled. So sin x minus cos x plus c e to the power minus x. This is the general solution. Okay. Number 3. Solve dy dx plus y tan x equals to sec x. This is also a linear equation with p equals to tan x and q equals to sec x. Okay, so integrating factor is e to the power integration tan x dx equals to e to the power tan x means minus log cos x. Okay, so means minus e to the power minus log cos x means e to the power log 1 by cos x. So e to the power log 1 by cos x means 1 by cos x. Hence the general solution is again y into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor dx plus c, means y into sec x equals to sec x into sec x dx plus c. Okay, so y into sec x means integration sec square x dx means tan x plus c. So this sec x will be divided here. So y equals to tan x into 1 by sec x means cos x plus c cos x. So tan x into cos x means sin x plus c cos x. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you, students.